Hi friend, welcome to Technology channel. Please subscribe first. Today I want to speak about the Furmark, one of useful software for testing GPU. Now I want to see another temperature. For this purpose, I use HW info. Now open HW info. Go to search and click on HW info and use sensor only and click on start and click on continue. Go down. This is a GPU RX 580 and this part are related to temperature. Now I want to start GPU stress test. Click on full screen and start GPU stress test and click on go. If you see this chart rise, the temperature rise, total power consumption for this GPU card 500 watts. You can see on the top the temperature and other feature. I want to pick this full screen part and again start GPU stress test and click on go. You can see when you testing this part that's related to temperature increase. This part GPU core voltage and other part are related to temperature. 65 temperature. You can see the chart temperature increase. Now on the above and top of this software you can see actual temperature frame per second and amount of load. The GPU card on 100% load. Now I want to see another part of temperature. You can see GPU fan RPM rate per minute increase to cool the GPU card. GPU core current and GPU IUX and core power and chip power. You can see the RPM increase and the temperature go up. (2000 RPM rate per minute). You can see fan 90% of usage and the maximum speed not arrive. You can see GPU thermal diode, GPU memory temperature and GPU temperature on VDDC and other part GPU MVDD temperature. And this is all of the part about the GPU. GPU clock, GPU memory clock, utilization and GPU 3D usage and other part and all of the part about the fan spin, and you can see the RPM increase. When the temperature go up, the RPM of fan increase. If your fan have a problem, this temperature increase very high. If your temperature increases very high, you can resolder your chip, or you can rethermal paste, use a copper pad or silicone pad. Or you can change your pipe or heatsink. Please use good thermal paste like Cooler Master and Nukta and other branding thermal paste. This is a GPU core current 120 ampere. And other parts are related to GPU core power 142 power consumption. And this is GPU chip power. You can see the current usage, RPM, and other parts like temperature. When the temperature increases, the rotation of fan increases to cooling this chip. This graphic card, another part that have like memory that use DRAM chip. On the DRAM chip you can see silicon pad. You can change your silicon pad to have a better result on the work. You can see PCI speed, GPU memory usage, and GPU memory error. This is one of good software for testing GPU. Other parts are related to motherboard and CPU. And this is name of motherboard and other part memory and other part CPU. The temperature of CPU wrote here, and the CPU core voltage and current wrote there. The motherboard also have a temperature that increase. When you overclocking the system, you must cooling the motherboard. Or when you gaming, you need a good case for cooling the motherboard. The temperature of motherboard increase when you are in rendering or gaming. You need to use a excellent fan to cooling the motherboard also, and use a gaming case or excellent case like Lion Lay 11. And other part, the voltage are represented here. You can see the CPU fan speed. You can see the PCH temperature and VRAM temperature, DRAM and other part. This is all of the sensor of computer. You can also see the SSD temperature. 39 centigrade for my hard disk. Back again to a GPU port. This is CPU, and this part are CPU, and I want to back again to GPU port. If you see the temperature increase and the RPM of fan increase to cooling this GPU. AMD Radeon RX 580. The HW Info 64 one-off good software for seeing the sensor of the case. You can see the temperature of hard disk, motherboard, CPU, GPU, and also see the temperature of other part of PC. This part are temperature. You can see. T1 and T2 also related to sensor. This part are PCH sensor. This part are drive airflow temperature. This part GPU thermal diode and GPU memory temperature. If this temperature are very high, you can change the silicon pad. You can see the network don't have any temperature or sensor and other parts. The part that have a temperature you can see. You can see the voltage and the current and the fan and sensor and the amount of load. Now back again to this chart, and this chart are stable and my graphic card work very good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that's useful for you. Please subscribe my channel and suggest my channel to your friends.